In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art by using two array modifiers. This is how the scene looks like. I have two cubes and two empty objects. The empty objects were used as array anchors. I have used a simple cube, but we can use any other meshes for this project. Something like this, and I believe I have also beveled the vertical edge loop. This project uses an array-in-array method, meaning we use the first array to create an initial shape, and use the second next. This was the first array mesh. We can use the first empty object as an array anchor to make this work like this. After this, I applied this array modifier, and added another array modifier that used another empty object as a new anchor. The second empty object was set to move down on the z-axis as well. I have placed the original cube in the middle to make it look better, but that's optional. I have used cycles with 16 samples to save time, but I would recommend everyone to use at least 128 samples for better results. Here are the composite node details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.